Hi there! So today I wanted to show you more about this cute little sculpt box project that we're doing. It's this little baby fairy. We're going to focus on learning to sculpt an adorable face like this. And so it'll teach you how to sculpt the face and the ears, put this head together, and then how to create a little body for the doll too out of the fabric and the different materials that we have inside the kit. And so first I just wanted to show you about size-wise where she's at. This was one of our first projects, the flower pixies. And so size-wise they're real similar. And then some of you have seen me do these little baby dolls from Curious Mondo. That's about how it is size-wise. So it's a much bigger doll than what I've done in the past. I have made little snuggle babes and they're more like that size and their head is about the size of your thumb. So those are very tiny. These have a lot more detail, a lot more instruction about teaching how to do the face itself. So I apologize for my voice. I've been quite sick, so it makes me talk funny. But here's what we've got in the kit. You'll have half a bar of the Pro Sculpt clay as well, and then a little paint palette that will have some Genesis paints on it for you. But we've got some fabric and some different notions to help decorate your doll. The little wings, if you decide to make wings on the back. You can just glue them on and just use a flower petal like that. It's quite adorable. And then just some sparkly bits and stuff. And so that will be super fun. They are just so adorable to do. I hope that you will really like this project. They are a sweet little doll, and it's awesome for gift giving especially, because you can do it with a Christmas theme if you'd like. I kind of have it set up for the autumn theme because it's still November, but they're very versatile that way. So anyway, I hope you love this project. I hope you're having fun with sculpting. These sculpt boxes make amazing presents, especially as we have the holidays approaching. This little tiny fairy doll, they're so fun to make, and that is a great gift idea for someone special in your life who loves to sculpt.